and welcome to another episode of Ask Away Wednesday, where we answer your top questions around data security and data governance. I'm James Beecham, joined today by special guest Jonathan Sander, Alter board member and security field CTO from Snowflake. The question today, Jonathan, why is format preserving encryption important for companies using Snowflake?
Wow.
Big question.
Yeah, it is a big question. So first of all, tons of customers who come to Snowflake do so from an earlier platform, a lot of them on-prem, and a lot of those integrated, sort of the traditional solutions to this, things like Protegrity and Voltage, and it was just baked in, right? So they wanted to, lift and shift up into the cloud. I roll my eyes on purpose, but that means that they wanted to bring those things along with them. And so it became important for Snowflake to support it because obviously that's what the customer wanted, right? But I think that's the less important reason that it is important for things. The real reason is that it's kind of having your cake and eating it too. That's really what format preserving encryption is. You get the encryption, right, which by itself is never security, but it's an excellent element to a security healthy breakfast, right?
One of the many foundational layers.
That's right. And the format preserving means the business gets what they need to, right? Because that means that, the phone numbers look like phone numbers, the card numbers look like card numbers. What's the Willy Wonka line? The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Yes.
You could basically use the data to join and do all the other operations that you would want to do against that format preserved data, even though that format preserved data isn't self-encrypted. So it really is, again, have your cake and eat it too. Get the encryption, but still use the data.
Your point about it being, one of the kind of foundational pieces for security, something that folks have to always remember is it's security in layers. And I think Snowflake does a great job of providing a number of those layers, but also the on-ramp to kind of, as you said, integrate additional layers in there. And I think it's why we continue to see more and more workloads moving up there into the cloud. So great. Well, thank you, Jonathan. I hope that answered the question. Tune in next week. We'll have more. If you have suggestions or want us to talk about something, please go ahead and hit it in the comments below. Thank you very much.